All right, this is this desk. All right. It really is a nice desk overall. However, there were a few things wrong with it, and it seems people in the comments and the reviews have some missing parts or damaged things, and my experience was no different. Um, but overall, I have to give the table itself, like the idea, the quality, everything, I give it 5 stars. It's really good. However, the box came absolutely destroyed. I don't know if it's the packing, the weak styrofoam they use or what, but they could definitely use better quality boxes, styrofoam, and really tape up that box really well. It came very bad. Um, if you're getting this as a gift, beware that the box says what it is, and that's fine. Um, but yeah, anyway, back into the review. So what was wrong with my desk was there was supposed to be one of these to help screw in the glass here and one here, but there isn't one here. It, I guess it broke, and since the box was awful, it fell out of the box, and it wasn't in the box at all. So I couldn't even re-glue it here. So that it is what it is. However, I do have this lamp, and this lamp does clamp here, so that kind of offsets not having this because I have a clamp here. So not the end of the world for me. This was bent downwards, and I couldn't put this extra wooden piece here until I got a pair of pliers and pulled it up, and then I was able to put it in there. I did see someone answer a question about does this move. They said that it doesn't move at all. That just means they tightened this screw too much. They have to loosen it up, and then it absolutely does move like so. And unfortunately, it holds on to any grease or anything like that a lot. But hey, what do you expect? Yeah, so has a little tray here where you can put various items. That's nice. And it's got, two of these drawers, basket thingies. The ingenious of whoever put this together did a pretty good job as far as the individual screws for assembly. They have it all labeled, and when you look at the manual, like F might look a lot like A, but they're not the same, which is why they're different. And they've really put it all together very well, except for the B6 thing here. There's B's here and B's there. You should just put them all in one place. Anyway, that's fine. Overall, it was very easy to put together. It was time consuming. It took me about an hour and a half, which I didn't expect to spend, but that's fine. It's also adjustable. You just turn those knobs. It's not very easily adjustable. You'll probably need some assistance adjusting it. In fact, someone get on one side and you get on the other. Maybe you can rig something up, but you definitely want to have an empty top whenever you go to do that. It's definitely not user friendly. So there's that. And yeah, you have to screw it all the way out and pull it up. So just be cautious of that. It does lean upwards. Oh, we'll just go over here first. So this is the your pencil holder, pens, whatever you're trying to use, colored pencils. Someone asked if it's a cup holder. Well, it definitely fits and it sits. So, but just be cautious that it does move. But so long as you're not moving too much, like an eraser is just gonna.
So it's late, and I'm slightly concerned about the packaging because it looks like it's been opened and resealed and retaped. This is not new packaging. So crossing fingers